As organizations increasingly rely on Kubernetes for containerized applications and VMs, the need for robust backup and disaster recovery solutions becomes critical. The dynamic nature of containers complicates traditional backup strategies. Without proper backup and recovery processes, organizations risk data loss, service disruption, financial impact, and adverse mission outcomes, making backup and disaster recovery essential for mission continuity and data integrity. Meet Veeam Kasten, the market leader in Kubernetes application and data protection for the last 5 years, per GigaOm's Radar report for Kubernetes data protection. With over 800 customers across the globe using Kasten today, and backed by US-based engineering and support, we have earned the trust of the public sector, system integrators, and commercial enterprise alike. Kasten provides comprehensive backup, disaster recovery, application mobility, and ransomware protection for your mission-critical Kubernetes workloads and their data, no matter whether the data lives on or outside the cluster. Whether it's managing large-scale migrations, ensuring resilient operations, or automating data protection and recovery, Kasten delivers unmatched reliability, security, and usability. Kasten's architecture aligns perfectly with the Continuous Authority to Operate, or CATO path. Our automated data protection policies, along with reporting and monitoring integrations, ensure that your Kubernetes data integrity and security are always maintained. Kasten's policy-based backup approach, as well as its ability to schedule automated backup and restores, enables our customers to meet their application-specific recovery point objectives and recovery time objectives. Let's take a closer look at how we're helping businesses thrive in the real world. First, a major global financial institution. They had to upgrade their Kubernetes cluster by 9 versions, supporting over 400 applications. Kasten enabled a seamless migration, saving over 7,500 man-hours and ensuring no downtime during the transition, and full auditability along the way. Next, the U.S. Navy's Overmatch program. As the Navy migrates workloads off of VMware and onto Red Hat OpenShift, Kasten is deployed to ensure resilience and redundancy. We're protecting mission-critical systems, contributing to usage of IT resources more efficiently, and helping ensure that operations continue without interruption. At the behest of the Navy, we added support for KubeVirt to enable the same backup and recovery options of Kubernetes-based VMs and containers simultaneously. Finally, a major aerospace and defense organization uses Kasten to promote development workflows. From self-hosted Kubernetes clusters to cloud environments, Kasten ensures the flexibility to move workloads seamlessly with the reliability needed for mission success. What makes Kasten truly unique? Unlike many of our competitors' offerings in the traditional backup space, with loose Kubernetes integrations, Kasten itself is a cloud-native application designed to work seamlessly with Kubernetes in its native YAML format. Our solution integrates into GitOps pipelines, ensuring data protection policies are in place before applications even hit production. For use cases where security is critical, Kasten has FIPS 140-3 inside, meeting rigorous federal standards, as well as full support for air-gapped deployments. Additionally, Kasten is available today on Platform One Iron Bank and includes a software bill of materials with every release. And because we support fine-grained role-based access control, Kasten aligns with Zero Trust Security Framework, minimizing attack surface and threat vectors. Kasten's easy-to-use interface is designed for both simplicity and power. From junior operators to advanced platform engineers, you can easily manage and orchestrate your data protection needs. Why choose Kasten over other Kubernetes data protection solutions like Velero? It's simple. Kasten offers a user-friendly interface, FIPS 140-3 compliance, integrated monitoring and reporting, enterprise-grade 24/7 US-based support, and crucial ransomware immutability protection. Unlike Velero, Kasten doesn't rely on a common encryption key across all deployments, ensuring that mission-critical workloads remain safe even in the event of any form of disaster, including ransomware attacks. And relative to other backup offerings from storage vendors, Kasten is software only, ensuring our customers aren't locked into a specific public or government cloud, Kubernetes distribution, or storage solution. And with our built-in transform engine, we can migrate and modify Kubernetes workloads on the fly to ensure that the application is fully available after restoring. Kasten has a flexible pricing model where we license on a per Kubernetes worker node basis. We support annual subscription and pay-as-you-go licensing. There is no need to track storage consumption, number of containers, or number of namespaces. Depending upon the size of the deployment, a customer success manager may be assigned. And optionally, the customer can elect to engage with a technical account manager that spends up to 1 day weekly with the customer team, which affords our customers maximum flexibility with our best-in-class support. In a world where data protection is critical to mission success, trust Kasten to safeguard your Kubernetes workloads, with unparalleled flexibility, security, and performance. Learn more at veeam.com.